Welcome to Dan Eaji YouTube. Collins Imudia Foundation don ask for una support again to take help these two widows wey dey office and the other guy wey get kidney problem wey come e office the other day. So make I leave you now with Collins Imudia Foundation. Make you for hear the story of these two women.
Today we're supposed to go for food sharing. We shifted it to tomorrow. Yeah, we wanted to see how we can make it mega. But the truth is, even if we carry a trailer load of food stuff out there, people will still tell you, say, not reach my hand. So we decided to say, let's manage the one we could gather. All the support we got. God bless all of you. There are too numerous to mention. Yeah, we are going to put all together. Tomorrow we are going for food sharing. Tomorrow we are going for food sharing. A certain sister of ours, her birthday is next tomorrow. She has sent us money already to go share food too. Yeah, we will still do that next tomorrow. We want to share tomorrow first. Areas we were able to touch tomorrow, that's fine. Next tomorrow, that's my sister's birthday. If she says we should go to her area, we'll go to her area. If she says Collins go to any other area, we'll then visit another part that we couldn't get to the other day. Yeah. Unstoppable Tina, Mommy Chupopi, good to see you. How are you? Okay, Kelly JP, your weekend was nice. So that's why we didn't share food again today. We're going to share tomorrow. So I know you're going to be with us tomorrow. In the meantime, thank you for the support coming for that kidney failure boy. Yeah, but I'm good. Thank you so much. She sent us a 200K. We got it, and then we'll be getting support from some people. 50, 10. 20. We're putting them together. Yeah. But the boy called me over the weekend and said, please, I need 100,000. I said, what for? He said, for dialysis. I said, wow. I said, that's nice. I said, I'll send it to you. But what we wanted to do was to see how we can gather and see what we could achieve. We'll present it to you once. Yeah. So, but give and take. If we decide, we still thought it wise. If we decide to say, let's keep it, and then he doesn't get to the day to receive it, it will be a waste of resources, guys. So that's why we now transfer the 100,000 to him, and I appeal to him to please. I don't know what I'm even appealing for, because if he doesn't have a hope for dialysis in the next say 4 days, say the truth, he will call me, and if he calls me, I won't want to hear that. If he doesn't go for dialysis that day, the next day he will die, and I will not give him. I must give him to keep him alive till then. Yeah, we're still putting him in our prayers to Almighty God that massive support will just come. Yeah, we're hoping, we're praying to God for government to look into this issue and then see how they can rescue the boy. Yeah, and we're in talks with some political people, just that we're not making headways as it stands. But give and take, we will do the one we can now that it's within our reach. I think a certain sister supported me and said she wants to speak to certain bodies also, I think in diaspora. And I said, please do. I send them videos, I send them pictures. Yeah, so I'm hoping that I get response from them too, so that we can do the needful. Yeah. Mommy Chupopi, I'm getting your message. That's okay, it's fine. Yeah, so but give and take, that voice issue is also keeping us on the corner. So we have a lot on our hand right now at once. So but today I had a chat. The widows are here. Yeah, the two ladies were to support. She will say good afternoon to you now.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
And then the other lady.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma.
So they have greeted you all, and then we are here to discuss with them. I had a lot of advice over the weekend from some people saying village market better pass. A lot of people said I'll support, I'll do this, we'll not see. So, but that's not, it's not new to us. But for what we got, we'll be able to put together and set them up little by little. Okay? I'm not supposed to give them money, but I will give them, because we say we'll be giving them money again, we'll be setting them up. But this is village market issue. Mama, why are you like one? Who speak English? Don't make us speak English one. Please speak out so they can hear you. Hope you can speak English. Yeah? Okay. We discussed and you talked to me about village markets.
Yes.
Right? You told me about village markets. Hmm? The new one and the
Big guy already. Even example.
Igai, Gary,
Gary
yeah,
already.
plantain,
Plantain. Coconut.
cocoyam,
Coconut.
coconut.
Coconut. Even coconut.
Mama, you also had a chat with me too. Yeah?
Yes.
You had a chat with me too.
Yes.
And they are not seeing you. Please can you break the camera so that you can see me?
Yes.
Okay. So, funny enough, you discussed with them, but what's your own issue too?
Village markets.
You know what I mean?
Vegetable, cocoyam, plantain, everything. Tomatoes, pepper.
You remember when I spoke to you, madam? I said if I give you 30,000, what can you do? Have you?
So do business, I will do that table, everything. I will do share.
Good. So, but give and take. Give and take. What we are going to do is on the base that we're trying to balance equations without sentiment. Yeah. So somebody say, give you 20,000. The same person not say give am 10,000. But somebody can say give am 40,000. The same person don't say give you. I'm trying to put it together and see you both as human beings. Equal rights. Yeah, equal rights. So what will we do, man? As a startup, we'll give both of you 50,000.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll give you 50,000 as a kick-off point. You will go to the village market.
Yes.
Buy Dakar. Yeah.
When they can say.
Ìwé àdẹ̀rẹ́ ni wọ́n ní àyàsẹ́ àmàlẹ́jẹ̀.
Any way I say, let her manage it. I manage it.
Business in your
Yes.
So it pays yes.
A widow Babu Kiso, gave her 10,000 naira 2 months ago. My guy right here will be so after 2 months. But I don't know me. Anyway, no. I mean, you give 10,000 that time, I can go buy picnic, Omo. Today, see how the business don't go.
Ọ̀nà pẹ́lẹ́pẹ́lẹ́
We now give her additional 30,000 the next day.
ẹ̀kì pẹ́lẹ́pẹ́lẹ́.
You understand? So an industrious person would be an industrious person. If we get the young one, no boy, I will. You understand? So that's what I think we will do. Yeah, as a kick-off point, we will give you 50,000. Yeah. So mama, where you that car? You go a car. 10,000 full bag of car. So mama, this lady does village markets. Yeah. So mama, when you can take her along, or what they describe her name, so that she be able to catch up. But I don't see her like someone who work and keep way before. But working good.
Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ náà wà nínú àgbàgbọ́.
They can wear in a new winner. Where do you want to sell it?
Ẹ̀ẹ́kì ò ní pẹ́ rà mí lẹ́yìn.
That place in Manami way. That junction. Where do you have your Well, we are with table two, right? I tell you now, you table so that food items will be kept to a clean place. Yeah? I go see why good afternoon, you not go walk. Messi Omoro, you good afternoon. I'm seeing all your comments. I'm not disregarding them. So, Mama, just the camera will show you very well. And I make it right thing. Mama, no sooner, eh? You look very industrious, man, right? Mama, no, work more with you, man. Hello. I'm on live video. Can you call me back, please? Okay, Mommy Zion. Mommy Zion, okay. Okay, Mama, I'll check it later. I'm on live video. Please join me on live video now on Facebook. Yeah, so when you got time, and discussion and discuss, yeah. You are going to be. You can't discuss it off camera. You go to the village market, right? And then that's where you get to Kuyama or and that's trying to find it right. Yeah, and I asked you, what can you do with this amount? For today now. By the time you use that one, you make it to make it. Because my hurry to come and check you out. Yeah, the JP, you say you're not hearing me. Why are you not hearing me? Other people are hearing me. Yeah, you can do this by plantain. The head of plantain in the market is 500. If you buy from village market, it will be cheaper.
We buy a dozen, 5,000, 4,000, 4,500. Like grades.
Grade by grade. Okay. You can buy dozens. Yeah? You can buy dozens. Okay, then you buy Cocoyam. You know, we'll come and check you. I told you that, right? We'll come and check you where you're selling to be sure that you're selling. You know, because the person will give money before that they didn't do anything. We now felt like, hey, Mommy Chipopi, thank you, you can hear me. Yeah, you now said you add it to all those ones. Yes. If we get there now, by God's grace, okay, you are selling well, right? You can also sell snail. Okay, exactly. You sell snail. Snail is a very nice one now. I bought snail over the weekend. I ate snail Sunday. Yeah. Welcome back, Nigeria for you. I'm glad this will be a challenge for all our people in diaspora. Get to see what we go through daily. Welcome back. That's Nigeria for you. We are used to it. It's a good thing for some of you in diaspora that have not seen darkness for a while. I'll see where they take light. That's what they say here. You know, they rotate lights here. You can just be in the middle of something and then you just change it to get used to Nigeria. Yeah, only hope for generator as a way to sustain our power supply. So give and take, like we were saying, our other guys will join us. We share the video, and our other guys will join us shortly. Yeah, so I'm light, that's what it means. I must take light. I don't know when I look strange to you, particularly if you've not been to Nigeria before. It looks strange to you, but that's the procedure here. So about person, you should be used to this kind of life. You know how we go through here, right? So that's it here anyways. But let's get back to business. So Mama, as we were saying, why think the kid who with the snail by yeah?
I felt they do on before that condition, I make a fish meal, but now that's what they do.
At least you can grow. Business now to do. Then you go grow. You don't understand? Yeah. So this is a person. We are fine. We are okay. We did together. You know, you understand, man. So you can do more of it. Yeah. So let's hope, because the other day we got to your place, I was so pleased with the way I saw you put vegetable here, put small things there. But now that you've got this empowerment, I believe if you build this into your business, it will still go a long way. Right? We'll come check you up and be sure that you do the needful. Right? So I was asking, because now the bank queue too much. I read there to withdraw money and that. People plenty. Yeah. So I can transfer to your account. Do you have a bank account?
Yes.
Yeah? How can you be an Edo State woman? You know their account?
Me?
Yeah.
I beg get account.
What you happen?
I go open for Access Bank. They withdraw my money, POS.
POS?
Yeah, they withdraw them.
They withdraw all your money?
All your money, my money. I said, look at it. All I said, come out.
Oh, I get more.
If we have all your money, they withdraw all of it.
Wow. Okay, so because I'm not going to. You don't open now.
I said I come start to school. I can go. I said I want to use a game. I go compete for the bank. So money be a couple of don't collect some.
So Mama, do you have a bank account? Woman. The phone. Woman. Why?
I saw Paddy and now they hold government bank. So me and I transfer you go government account zero. Me and I transfer and go. So the pin I just forget and the right hand for paper. And I don't know say the pin for bank. And I just pin take the next day I go look the bank and the money. They just
Your ATM card fall for ground. Your ATM card.
ATM card plus the pin. 4 pin where they do
Pin,
that.
they only hold pin. They not pin on mine. So long say pin fall for ground. Now the card for pin not the fall.
I understand.
The pin, I have a pin. The pin, I go here.
Okay.
So I'm winning
Not say anybody.
I'm winning ATM right now. Who winning it? Okay, let's do it this way. Can it be convenient for you people to come tomorrow? I will drop the money with my secretary. Once you just get here, don't wait for me.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Don't just wait for me. Just come tomorrow. We'll be open by 8. Our office is always open by 8. Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
I'll try and withdraw the money and give to secretary. Okay, can you guys come by 11?
Don't go 8 o'clock. Clean the money. Need all the shit.
No, because of me. I dey go for food sharing tomorrow. So that means I go to the area where they retire the rice, tie the beans. You understand? I don't know if she go feel withdraw the money by herself come. I go hard. So me for like, as I pay them for the food side, I go quick me withdraw the money, drive come my office, come drop am for her. Yeah? So that if now I come by 11, before 11 I'll try as much as possible to come. Because I don't go for food sharing. If I don't finish food sharing, I'm going to give it to the side. So I beg, by tomorrow 11 o'clock, Mama. I want to
Oh boy, it sounds sick.
Oh boy, that's a guy. Maybe on plan, I go to I have the secret. Oh, mom, because they gave me to he looked here before secretary take on him. I'm going to the after that. Oh no, oh my, and I go manager a transport. Oh my, go.
Okay, funny enough, one year ago and transport your no problem, we'll give you transport fare, that's not a big deal. We'll give you transport fare. Except my own way. You understand? The head team and my way. So it's not for you. So now you're doing if my own were dead for you to go and come back.
No, every time I have praise.
You are pretty supporters. Saluba, Akibaya, across the globe. Yes. Because it wasn't easy. For who say I'll bring one, I'll bring two.
Yes.
So the mount.
So we just did it for you from the depth of your heart. So it's what's thanking them. Yeah, so tomorrow, around 11 one day, so that I can get to give you the money tomorrow, right? So that's it for now. So I'll go by 11 one day and you will see your money here tomorrow. I'll drop with my secretary. You don't meet me, just take it and go. Yeah? Then by midweek or probably the week, we will come. We will come. That's funny. You don't know where we are. There's security guarantee, don't worry. We are not in a public place. Everywhere good. Franco Sagi, I don't understand your comment. I want to understand what you mean, Franco Sagi. Please be explicit. Yeah, but in the meantime, tomorrow by 11, please be there. Hopefully by Friday. should be able to come. We should be able to visit you and check.
Different of
Everybody village
different
market. Everybody village market.
Tomorrow now, after the table, even the capital,
Whatever you want to do, man, just do. We'll visit you by weekend.
If you don't do your table, personally, if I with you, feel the safe first. For ground first. So anyway, if you're sitting, money you going to give me, if you go with your big table, what do you want to buy to you?
Yeah, just go to the market, buy your
That's what you want,
and start
they
selling.
selling.
Village market sells faster now.
Now, ground they put on.
So the other woman when you hire, you see.
You see.
You see where
No, who they sell village market must be mustache.
why you see. But you see, everybody marry go on the street.
I have to get all
But you see, you want to be sure.
Mana ki jọ kiri ní alẹ́ ní ìyá sẹ́sẹ̀ ní ìyá.
You see.
Mana ki jọ kiri ní alẹ́ ní ìyá. Mẹ́mẹ́ ti sọ̀fà, mẹ́mẹ́ ti sùsẹ̀.
And they are
Ìyẹn
full.
ká mi go before. Ọ̀yá mi kì í rí àná.
Yeah, greater, unbreakable. I know. Everyone to share is an Egyptian. No, but in the meantime, what will you see by what you see? Okay? Alright. That will be it for today. So I'll see you out. See you out. God bless you.
Thank you.
Moving transport.
Bàbá mẹ́wàá kí ni? Bàbá mẹ́gbọ́n mi kẹ́rì gbọ́dọ̀ bàbá mi àfọ̀njọ́. Ọ̀gá àfọ̀njọ́. Ṣé èmi?
That is
Amen. They are small, small.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's it from there. And then we would attend to them, yeah. About Jonathan, I'm trying to watch. Frank Osagi, how much did you send for these videos? Please tell us. God bless you, bro. Frank Osagi, how much did you send? Please tell us and let's get to know. God bless you. Yeah. I've seen your comments. Edith, good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, like I was saying, yeah, these people were. No, you know, see part 2. Don't worry, Kelly JP. You know, see part 2. Don't worry. Just leave on. You know, see part 2. Okay. So, but that's fine. Like I said, we'll be going for food sharing tomorrow. Okay. We will be going for food sharing tomorrow. Yeah. And then we would still be going for food sharing next tomorrow because there's hunger in the land. You will not understand till you see some things tomorrow. There's hunger in the land, so we'll go for food sharing. I told you we're not deviating. Yeah, we want to make sure we keep our people posted. At least anybody will meet tomorrow. A rubber of rice, it could be rubber of beans, either of the two. So the one we can buy, that will be many for people because people are many. In each bag of rice you get 18 rubber, sometimes 17. In each bag of beans you get 39 rubber, sometimes 40. Yeah, sometimes 41. So we as a people, we would actually look into how to get more of those stuff because people are plenty. One rubber is moderate for every family that takes one rubber of beans home. I know say you don't cook down one rubber of beans. How many they want be for the family? Beans is rice, like plenty. Even rice, the people cook like 2 cups first. Yeah. The next day they'll cook 2 cups. Let's be assisting the government, our royal father, the Oba of Benin, in reducing the rate of hunger in Benin by sharing these palliatives. Yeah, it's a non-stop for us as the government are trying to do their own. We as a people will put us together in support with our diaspora people, and then we'll put all together and go and do food sharing. Yeah, so let's that be our own quota in the sector. Instead of us looking for a way to say we want to be discussing much more about criticization of government or being political. We just stick to the human part, the common man. It is because of hunger. Let me tell you, it is because of hunger that they can give somebody 5,000 naira in the field on election day. We take it and vote another thing. It is because of hunger. If they are well fed, they cannot sell their conscience. Just get to know. Okay, I'm convinced this Franco Sage is an Egyptian. Let's do justice to these kind of Egyptians. Yeah, it's been done. The Egyptians you see today, you shall see them no more. Franco Sage just proved to be an Egyptian, and we will allow him go stick to Pharaoh. Yeah, this platform is meant for the children of Israelites. Yeah, we're all godly people, and then we do things that will make God look at us from above and say, blessed art thou amongst men, or blessed art thou amongst women. Yeah, so in the course of achieving this, there are certainly going to be a lot of distractors, but we'll make sure they don't get to know or see when we're alive, so they don't distract us next time. Yeah, so but in the meantime, like I said, it is hunger that will make somebody go to election field to say, I want to go and vote this person, and when they give them stipend, you change mind, go vote another person. Yeah, so but if somebody is well fed, if you get to the field and you say, take 2,000 and vote this party, we'll tell you to go keep your money. I don't feel use this money to sell my future. You cannot use money to sell your future for the next 4 years. If we have been doing it all the while, yeah, it's time to put a full stop. If they think they can induce voters with money, collect the money and vote against them. Election is supposed to be a free process. It is supposed to be a one man, one vote. So if anybody is saving 10 million naira, 10 billion naira, saying that this election they want to use them for, my fellow people of Edo State, please take their money and vote against them. The motive of giving you money has proven that they are not upright. Even if it is the governor of the day, if they give you money, eat it and vote against them. Because we all know what is right as a people. We see as we are in Edo State now, we are seeing developments. I said it in my last video, I will say it again. There is no governor that have come to rule Edo State that did not do well. The governor of Edo State now is doing well. My personal assessment. Everybody has their view. I'm not saying he's the best, but I am saying from my own point of view, he's doing well. So it does not need money to induce voters to win. Bringing money into politics on election day is the beginning of corruption, and that is to show that people are wrong. You get? So it is not supposed to be a policy. It's not supposed to be a normal routine for anybody to say, because say I know say this people go share money, make me say bring. No bother to bring. Let the love of the people lead. Let the love that the people have for you, let it lead. The people are wiser now in Edo State. They will take your money and vote against you. Don't worry. It happened in the last election in Benin City here, Edo State. PDP took money from APC in the field and voted against APC. House of Rep lost flat. That is to tell you that the people are wiser now. So if you bring money to election field to say you want to come and induce our voters, yes, we know there's hunger in the land, and we encourage them to take your money and vote against you. You understand? So I'm not campaigning for anybody. I'm speaking with what my personal assessment. If anybody call me to say, can you speak? I stand to be corrected. Say, on what base are you saying this? I have points and he points to me. You say, okay, that's why you said it, yes. Nobody can do it all. Obaseki cannot do it all. Buhari have not even done it all. Not to talk of the government. But to an extent, when he do a own quota, Obaseki is doing his own. Me and you in diaspora, we are busy gathering money and feeding people. We are a government of our own, don't you know? We are also feeding people, trying to reduce the rate of poverty, because this governor cannot do it all. He's the #1 leader of this state. So whatever we are doing is to reduce poverty for his own state, and he will be very glad. If we get encouragement from him, God bless him. We are not begging for encouragement, because the little we can do as a people, we are doing. We can put money together, we want to share food. Yeah. To an extent, we share. Government be doing road, be doing lights, be doing anything. God bless you. If a government will succeed, we don't need distractions for them. We leave them to their fate. Every 4 years, the people are watching. It is not, how will I put it? It is not, the scorecard of any performing governor belongs to the people. Just know. They are the ones that feel the pain. They are the ones that feel the joy. The only place where they come and rate your performance if you are good is on election field. No need for money inducement. You don't need to send money to people to come out. It is hunger that many people go to rally and say become 1,000. Naturally, people should go to rally with their mind on the basis that they love what this person is doing. Do you understand? So please, if you are bringing money to election day to come and say you want to induce voters, I am encouraging all our Edo people. Please eat their money and vote against them. Because the essence of elections is for human beings put together. Look at a leader and say, is this person doing us well? They say yes, let us vote him for continuity. Or this person just came there for the past 4 years, we don't see anything where he do, let us vote against him. The power belongs to the people, not a particular man, not even a cabal. The power to win is not with a cabal, it is with the people, because they are the ones suffering it. If they like, let them take the money, sell their right, they will suffer for another 4 years. If they are enjoying and they say continue, they will enjoy continue for the next 4 years. You understand? So the power belongs to the people, and the people's reaction now shows volume to public. That this is what we want to, and here we do. You know, that is it. That is the people speaking. Let the people lead. They don't need money inducement. You don't need familiarization. You don't need to be good. Love, let love lead. And which people will let love lead? The people. Let the people lead. The people are the ones living in the states. They are the ones feeling the impact of this state. They are the ones still saying this is what we want. Let their wish be obeyed. Because no man is God. You understand? So that's me for you. I'm only speaking directly, not to diasporas alone, to our people in Nigeria here watching me across the world. If you have a brother that lives in Nigeria, please share this video to them. Let them see that we are telling them, be wise. Your vote must count. It's the only power you have as a Nigerian. Your vote, one. That's your one vote. If somebody bring money for you, eat the money. Vote your conscience. Don't tell them no, I won't take your money. Take it. Vote your mind. Vote against them. For giving you money, that's corruption already. And that's what Mr. President is fighting. So they should not give you. If anybody wants to bless you, let them bless you weeks to election. See it as campaign strategy, we can understand. But in election day in the field, don't bring money there, please. Don't bring money to election field. Edo people are not stupid people. We cannot be sharing food for our people and not educating them. We must educate our people while we are trying to fight their hunger. We need to educate them so that they can know how it is. You understand? So for me, I think our people need education. Apart from voters education, normal orientation. I organize a symposium very soon, a seminar very still here, where we'll make it to have media houses to announce it, and then there will be social media announcements too, where we invite many of our youth. I'll speak to them, educate them. It's what they need. It's much more than money. If you want to know the difference between you and the other friend of yours who used to live here in Nigeria that now lives abroad. It's orientation. For your information, do you know there are some illiterates in Italy that are very intelligent than some BSc holders in Nigeria? Are you aware? There are some people in overseas now, in Europe. Now, primary six in rich. You know, if even sabi read when they travel out. Now, as I'm talking to you, that person just spent 12 years for abroad. Just spent 7 years. Just spent 9. If that person sit down with you, run things, address you, a PhD holder in Nigeria, no fit address you like that. You know why? Because the environment we find ourselves. That person didn't go to school, got to an environment that has well cultured and properly mannered environment where you know what to do, when to do, and how to do. Common sense is there. You understand? A Western world where you should know that as I'm sitting down here, it is my seat. Nobody can come and sit down here. You know where to sit on. You understand? You know when you are in a queue, you want to buy something in a shopping mall. You know they think say if you thief something, they don't catch you. Your brain don't already tell you say everywhere around here they computerize them. If I thief this pin from a shopping mall, nobody will come greet me for inside the mall yet. But as you want cross the door, come out, it will blow alarm. You know pass there. Then they will hold you, search you, they don't catch you. So because of that one, when you go to the mall next time, you go see chewing gum, you know touch them. That is common sense. That is an environment well cultured. So when you see PhD holder where grow for place where we say hunger full, yeah, anybody where you lose gas phone for inside bus, be your clear your offer for pocket because of hunger. Their orientations cannot be the same. For instance, two friends live in one room in Nigeria. The both of them they go to school, they learn mechanic. One of them got opportunity to travel through Libya. He risked his life and went. He got to Italy. From Italy, after camp, they gave him, I don't know the paper they gave him. He left there to Germany. Yeah? That guy is building his second house right now. You know the push drug. Do you know what he said to his friend? He said, bro, I for like I come Nigeria, but I don't get chance. Because that one place guy he be. The friend felt bad. Now, I mean, you the wrong things before. Like you come, they carry body for me. He said, not be body. Where are they? So if I like I work, I not work, I'll see food chop. It not be like Nigeria where you did now. If you know, if you like get there from morning to evening, nobody will come give you Indomie. So the only option an idle man has is to look for how to make it, how to get. That is where we are coming in now. Trying to see how God can use us to get to people who are with the mindset that if I not see money today, I not go thief, we not give them food. As they eat and they say, I thank God for today. We don't remove that thing from my mind. Before I go think I'm again, God will see use another foundation, take me down at the point of the need. That is our belief. You understand? So there are a lot of people out here and out there. You get? So orientation matters a lot. Everything should not be we are feeding people. I'm doing this one. No, everything should not be show off. Somebody was asking me, you didn't come live on Friday, on Saturday. I said, you think I go before the camera because I want to show I have a nice cap or I wear fine shirt? I don't do that. I cannot come on live video when I don't have information for public. It doesn't make sense. For instance, you cannot see me now. I'll just play video. I'll just play music and not inside that room. Why? Am I Donald Trump? No. If I come before the camera, I should have information for the camera. People are there. They are watching you. They want to know why you came. Come out positively to them. If you don't have anything better to say, stay in your room. When you have information, come on live video. Social media is not for everybody. You can't just wake up on your sleep and just go live. And then be showing people things they don't want to see. No, don't do that. You always come out, give information. Or there's something you want to do. Take for instance, those two widows. I could give them money behind you. But we have learned to be transparent, and that's our watchword. So if we're giving them money, we'll tell them before public. It's simple. It won't cost us anything. We will come live for a reason. And when we are done, we link here. That's it. If we want to joke, we joke. Because I'm talking to you now, there are some people now in diaspora, they are on duty now. They don't work now. As I talk to you, so see what they all do. They just hang their phone like this for somewhere for near wall. Then they look you. Then they walk. Then they try one day with you. Why did they walk? That person does not deserve to be seeing nonsense on camera. That person deserves to say, after my live video with this guy today, I benefited this thing from him. It's that simple. Or, okay, I know what they did today. It's okay. That's what I was telling someone. I said, you don't need to get, I don't need to be 700 views. I don't need to be 5,000 views. Facebook does not pay you for views. So it's of no use getting 10 million views. If I want to get views, I'll go to YouTube, I'll do my live video. For all of you watching me now, and I've gotten views and they'll pay me. Yeah, I can't. But I must come out for a reason. I must get information for public. And when I'm on live video, I'm not on live video for diasporas alone. Nigerians are watching me. Right in this room I'm talking. I have 2 people in this room right now who are watching me live, and I'm here with them. You get? I'm here with them. But they are commenting. You see their they do comment section. They will comment. Do you get? So that's to tell you that you must have information for people to be with you. You don't need to be 10 million. It doesn't yield anything. The most important thing is for you to send information to the public. The other day I went to do advert for that lady. What was the essence? Make life easy for those diasporas. Somebody called me. Brother, now you advise us someone to take care of our family. See now, see. I said, please man, sorry. I only appealed for you to take care of your family. I understand they betrayed your trust. Okay, this is how you do it next time. That kind of woman, now if she sees that my video of advertising food where you can pay the people who use global resources, you can pay them into the account, tell them what you want, and they will take the food to go and deliver to your family. She won't call me again for such a betrayal. Instead of sending money, you can just order the things, they'll go and give them at home. Then give them a little money for upkeep before the end of the month. Just so you can have peace that look, your people for us, they eat, they get food. So we are trying to expose everybody. Life made easy. White people are making life easy for us by bringing technology to our doorstep. Yeah, bringing certain things to our doorstep at our disposal. Yeah, we as blacks, let's also think innovatively. How do we make life easy for our people? I cannot send you, although there are some people in diaspora that can send money now. They will tell me, thank you bro, you just saved me, I understand. But it will be like 2% out of 100. Unlike the people who are supporting me. The only way I can say thank you to me, but them, is for me to look out for them. Oh, where is this person suffering pain? How can I alleviate their pain? Yeah, we'll just go. Somebody called me the other day, my sister watching me. Bros, help me buy TV set, help me buy dining set, buy set of chair, buy carpet, buy DVD, buy the hook, buy that one. And baby, they go drop off my house. We did. She's watching me right now. We did all bought chairs, bought dining set, bought everything together, put in the bus, go and drop it for the family. We left them. When she called them on video call, she was pleased. You understand? So please get to understand that we are not a presenter. We are a foundation. There's a difference between a presenter and a foundation. A presenter can come on live and even naked, flashing anything and talking to you. Yeah, that's a presenter. But a foundation is an organization that helps human, the common man. You understand? So that's what we are. And then the beautiful part of it is that we are even more of a motivational speaker. So sometimes we get to talk to ourselves. I know how many calls I receive. People call me from diaspora. Bro, you said this, you said that. Guide me, just explain how well for me. I will do. Madam Gold, good afternoon, man. God bless you. Yeah, so that's it. It's all about innovation. What can we give back to you? Not to be taken from you. No, cannot be taken from the diasporas who are not looking for how to help them. Everything will be money. Sometimes you can save some diasporas with information. Information, very key. You understand? So without much further talk, tomorrow we'll be going for food sharing. So we have to go and arrange ourselves so that we do the needful. Clement Akomila, good afternoon. I'm seeing all your comments, but I don't want to respond and be deviated from the actual stuff. Yeah. Madam Gold, how are you today, man? How are you? So My brother Desmond Orobos, I appreciate you so much. Thank you from Japan. Thank you. Yeah, Sarabo Obasoha, my brother, my friend. God bless you, bro. Yeah, Carolina, Ebony, Mommy Chukopi, Jonathan, Christina Brooklyn, Amatula, for all of you, I'm seeing all of you. God bless you all. Yeah, so tomorrow we'll be going for food sharing. Perhaps by maybe 11, 12. Let's say 12. We'll be live. Yeah. Ojo, good afternoon too. We'll be live and then we'll bring you into the picture, yeah? Ebony, Carolina, you ran away before. I think you're on break now. Yeah, so we will be doing that tomorrow. And the next tomorrow is the birthday of one of our sisters. We will bring it out too. And then she sent us money to go and share food next tomorrow. So we'll do that too. And two people cannot be, let me say, overfed. Or they'll say, you don't too feed our people. No, don't they see like that. Because we know they go house to house, people too plenty. People too plenty. Large Pulatin. God bless you, my brother from America. Yeah, people too plenty. So the little we can reach, we will reach on Tuesday. Thank God our sister's birthday is coming up next tomorrow. Yeah, next tomorrow we will also buy another set. We will still go to another area we didn't go to yesterday to go and share to the best of our ability. Okay, so that's it. We'll do the needful and then we'll do the necessary things. So if you have any questions for us, please let us know. Feel free to ask us questions and we're here to answer you. The phone line is always on. Our office line 08037381355. Ebony Carolina live on Egyptian, they watch as Muslim. You know, 08037381355. That's our office line. You can call us from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mabel Edos, good afternoon. Antonio Briggs, good afternoon. Okay, Efosa Sayaweka, you're watching from London. That's nice. Welcome to the club. We have all our London people. You know, we have a lot of them. Very many. Title holders, so don't people. There's like the Ebony Carolina, one of the full Manchester. But we have them, they are plenty. So we are waiting to get my brother, my friend's title, Mr. Sarabo Baswan. We are hoping to get his title pretty soon. Perhaps he will be Sarabo Basso on one of the full UK, but we don't know him. Let's not give him. We hope to hear from him directly. Yeah. So, but tomorrow will be a great day. We'll be going for food sharing. Keep us in your prayers. Let your support keep coming in. If you have not supported that process of food sharing, please. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small for Waido people. Yeah. It's not cooked food. We only share raw food. Yeah. We don't cook. We don't give cooked food. For security reasons, we share raw food. You can go and cook it yourself. God bless your family. That's how we operate. Yeah. So we will do that. We'll do that once a month. We're going to do it tomorrow at the beginning of the month. Yeah, Prince Daniel, you said you're watching from USA. It depends on which part of the USA. It could be United States of America. It could be Upper Sakumba area. You never can tell. Both are USA. But I want to be sure that this is United States of America and not the USA Upper Sakumba area. Yeah, greetings to you, Prince Daniel, from America, hopefully. I was just teasing you anyways. You know, so, but that's by the wayside, yeah? That's by the wayside. You know, so, but for you who's responding to that boy, God bless you so very much. Yeah, God bless you. Prince Daniel, welcome to our club. Thanks for being a part of Collins Media Foundation. We are proud to be associated with every one of you watching us across the world. Watching us on YouTube, watching us on Facebook. God bless you all. Yeah, we love you all equally. Agape love. Who's watching from Austria? Oh dear Henry, you are watching from Austria. God bless you. Okay, Justina, you say you are watching from your living room. That's so beautiful. Gina, Iyase, I just started following you. Now I'm still watching. Oh, God bless you. The God that brought you to us will not leave you alone. He will meet you at the point of your need. So you'll be so generous to us. God bless you. Yeah, I love it too. Waila, good afternoon. You're laughing. Why? Yeah, but that's fine. That's fine. In the meantime, we have questions. Please pose to us. We are very responsible. We take your questions. We're always with you. You can reach me on my direct line if you have it. After this live video, just go to the caption. You see where I put my number. It's my direct number. You can speak to me and then we'll talk. Yeah. I'll have time to talk. Okay? God bless you as you tune in, just like my sister is saying. I appreciate you all, I love you all. Desmond Orogosa from Japan, my brother who just promised us a camera, digital camera. God bless you so much. I appreciate you so very much, Desmond Orogosa. God bless you. Mr. Sarobo Obaso, I can't thank you enough. If I start mentioning what you've done, it will be too much. Let's leave it like that. You and our family. Amen. Praise Daniel. Amen. And God bless all my supporters too. God bless you. Who's watching from Ulster? We are blessed. You're watching from Austria. Okay, that's fine. Please always follow us on our Instagram page. Call it Imudia Foundation 2020. Yeah, please follow us on our Instagram page. Follow us, we'll follow you back. Call it Imudia Foundation 2020 on our Instagram. And on our YouTube, we are calling Imudia Foundation International. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm supposed to even go live today. Maybe tomorrow food sharing will be live from there. Maybe. So please, if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go there now. Just type on your YouTube, just search Collins Imudia Foundation International. You just see it and then just subscribe so that when we are live you get notification. You'll be seeing what we are doing. It's not really easy driving around town trying to look up for people. It's not really easy, but it will be easy. That's my philosophy. God who brought us out for this task has those that he will use to bless us. So we are very fine. We're okay. We're doing well. Yeah, we're doing well. We don't need to be told. We know we're doing well. Mega Prenat Kitchens. Good afternoon. I sight you as you came in. God bless you. Yeah, I see. I've been seeing all your temptation food you used to put there. I don't want to talk to you. I say I'll prepare you. I'll look for one day prepare you. I'll call you video call. We know they eat better leaf rice. So please subscribe to Mega Prenat Kitchen. I think your YouTube handle is Mommy P Kitchen. I think. So you subscribe to your own. So I have subscribed, and then you have subscribed to my YouTube channel too. So I understand. Happy Francis. Good afternoon. God bless you. Your pocket will never lack for supporting us. Every project we are doing, your hand did. Happy Francis. God bless you so much. Your pocket will never dry. Prince Ken. Good afternoon. You came to class late. Well, about leaving, we are going for food sharing tomorrow, so we have to go and prepare for it. Yeah. We had a video before now. Please, you can go back and watch it if you miss any part. Yeah, Mega Prenat. I know it's your work. You know, easy. In and out, taking care of sick people. You know, easy. So God bless all your pockets, all of you supporting Collins Imudia Foundation. Mega Prenat YouTube name will be displayed. The Prenat Kitchen Food Empire. Please subscribe to our YouTube page and see good recipes from her. You're watching me from Dublin, Matai Fosa Mori. God bless you so much. Thank you. Princess Ifeanyi from Portugal. You don't need to tell me where you're watching me from, I know. Yeah. Motola offering. God bless you. God bless you. God bless all of you. So we have to leave now so that we can go and prepare. We have food sharing tomorrow. We have food sharing next tomorrow. Yeah, so and we are putting on, we are getting for that kidney patient together. So that we're presenting once for him. But the guy needs money every 4 days and he's joining us back. As we are getting support, we are spending. As we are getting support, we are spending. Yeah, we have to be doing that to keep him alive. Because if we are keeping money and he doesn't stay to use the money, what's the essence? So maybe God is using our donations to keep him alive till the person that will come and say, I'll take care of the 13 million kidney transplant. God bless him. I just wish flights were flying now. Maybe somebody will be able to do visa for him to come over to abroad. By the time they see him, I just want to give him help. The responsible environment like the Western world. Yeah, so but give and take. If you miss any part of our video, please go back and watch it again. Yeah. I'll come speak to people before Friday. We'll talk about families in Nigeria and families abroad. So that we can educate ourselves and look for a way where we educate our brothers here and our sisters here. The trust, the height of trust that our people have betrayed the other side is very high, and it's making some good job for us difficult trying to convince our people abroad to help their own personal families. Yeah, so but if we're talking to them now, they are listening to us, we'll be cutting down that little by little, and we'll get there, God willing. And so God bless you all so very much for being with me today. And then we'll do this again tomorrow. We'll go for fish sharing tomorrow. We'll go for fish sharing this tomorrow. So let's make it worthwhile. Let's make it worthwhile. Flight, we are praying for flight to start. If flight don't start, no, don't wait for you. Mini vacation all through the COVID issue from when it started towards February and kick off. On which now I have not rested. Every day we sing for video. Mondays to Saturday, on the rest of the so it's not easy, but it will be easy. Anything for mankind. It is called selfless service. If I deserve it on the day to go rest for like 3 weeks, come back home, come and continue work for 6 weeks. Mega pronounce. I was watching on my videos where you sleep off due to time. I say, yeah. Oh no. I'm hungry already. I am going for lunch. Join me. And I said I should not be eating Chinese rice again. I'll be eating Chinese rice. There's no to go down here, so it will be good. By God's grace, we'll make it happen. So give and take. We thank God and His mercies. This week will be a blessed week for you all. Wherever you're watching me from, this week will be a blessed week for you. Wherever you're expecting money from, even if you're not expecting, God will surprise you this week. God will open doors for you according to His word in Philippians 4:19. It will be a blessed week for all of you. Customers will locate you. What business are you into? Gold, silver, sales of cosmetics, whatever. Personal handwork. You are working in an office, God will locate you this week. Favor of God will locate you all this week. That is my gift from me to you. Because it is only when you can have that you'll be able to give. So if we don't pray for you to have, we don't have the right to demand from you. So I keep you all in my prayers daily. And I tap from the grace. Every favors attached to this month of July. We all be your portions wherever you're supporting us from. If you have ever supported us with 10 cents, 1 naira, 5 naira, 10,000, 100, 300, 200, 500. You have ever supported Collins Media Foundation. You have ever supported any foundation in Edo State. The God of blessings will rain it upon your household this month of July. All the blessings attached to this month of July will follow you if you have ever supported any foundations in Edo State. God Almighty will meet you at the point of your need. Yeah? And you will have to be able to give more to those foundations. We are not a jealous foundation. We are not giving to those foundations to keep. We are giving them to help the common man. So that gives me joy. Yeah? So God bless the hand of the work of your hands. All of you watching us from across the world. Anyway, you're watching it from YouTube, you have supported any foundation in those states. God bless you so very much. Your pocket will never run dry. All the blessings attached to this month of July will follow you on that. And at the end of this month of July, we will all look at ourselves and say, this month better well. That's what it will be for all of us. For as many little that you depart, little support that you give, to say, I give to assist this common man, I give to assist this man, I give to do this, that hand will never return back empty. That's my prayer for all of you, and I pray this through Jesus Christ, our Lord. Amen. God bless you all. Keep doing good. Remember, that shoe you threw for corner for your house, using a rag. That person Christmas cloth for the new. That shirt you just threw is a clean ground. Our designers were used to it, so nothing is a waste.
Make you help us share this video. And if you get any support where you like to give Collins Imudia for what they do, for the kind help where they give all these people, the phone number did this video. You fit call them, and the account number still there here. And if you get anything where you like to make you add, join waiting you don't hear from Collins Imudia, may you go comment section, make you put them for there. Thank you for watching them ARG YouTube.